44 heavy, departure 124.5 in the air, wind 03020, quick takeoff, special runway 35 left. Okay, 12452 in the air, Air Canada's 844, clear to go 35. Number 2-8 traffic, short funnel. Where are you parking? We're parking in signature, Cherry 187. Cherry 187, okay. Plan your exit. Heavy in the turn, contact departure 119.8, wind 360 at 12 gust 17. Use caution for birds, clear for takeoff, runway 35 right. Take care. Clear takeoff 35 right, 1980 to turn west jet 1 you have gradient. Around 3140 with you, clear the now Yankee 35 left approach, speed 160 over the pass. North 3040, target number 1 for runway 35 left, plan Charlie 2 exit for now, departing traffic in front, wind 360 at 13, altimeter 282, use caution, lots of birds. Check lots of birds there, we will plan Charlie 2 for the exits on Core 3140. Jet, thanks, you can keep speed on the rollout, they'll get you further downfield. Western 1400 tower at Sierra, line up and wait, runway 35 right. wait, right at 0. Canada 578 tower threshold, line up and wait runway 35 left. Line up and wait 35 left, Air Canada 578. Western 551, low off your right wing is a helicopter, 4,800 feet. They're off your right side, not sure if they're going to work their way inbound though. I'll let you know if that changes. Wind 36012, you're clear to land, runway 35 right. Q, Air Canada 585, Delta 4 or the reverse onto Delta 3, it's your choice, ground 12535.
Okay, we'll take the reverse and 2535 for Canada to for 585.
Okay, thanks. Departure 119.8, take care.
19.8, Jazz 336.
Western 1400 traffic will be an Airbus departing runway 35 left beside you. Stay my frequency and report the SID turn to me. Wind 360 at 12 gust 17 from Sierra Cliff, takeoff runway 35 right.
Takeoff 35 right, we'll stay with you. We check traffic, Western 1400.
Canada 570 traffic is 737 departing off runway 35 right. They'll have the SID turn. Just stay my frequency for now. Use caution. Lots of birds on your side. Wind 360 at 12 gust 17. Clear for takeoff runway 35 left.
For takeoff 35 left, we'll stay with you. Check clear mark. Sir Canada 578.
Tower Sir Canada 585 on the ILS 35 right.
Canada 585 Calgary Tower, good evening to you. You are number 1 for the right side. Traffic's departing on both parallels. Use caution, lots of bird. Wind 360 at 12 gusting 17. You are clear to land, runway 35 right.
Check mark, clear to land 35 right for Canada 585.
Thanks. Contact departure 119.8. We'll see ya.
Down on low Air Canada 125 with you on the approach runway 35 right.
Air Canada 145 Calgary, good evening. The wind's 350, 13 knots, altimeter 2982. Caution away turbulence. You're about 8 miles behind heavy traffic. Clear to land, runway 35 right.
Clear to land 35 right for Air Canada 145. Check.
Just for 430 Charlie 4, exit 350, 13 knots, clear to land, runway 35 left. Clear to land 35 left, Charlie 4, Jazz 430. Charlie Heavy, exit left Delta 4, contact East Gondola 12535, good day.
Left Delta 4, 12535, good day, sir.
13 knots.
Thank you.
Wager 134, Calgary, good evening. The wind's 350, 13 knots, altimeter 2981, Charlie 4 exit, clear to land, runway 35 left.
Clear to land, 35 left, Richard, 134, thanks.
Canada 145, exit left Delta 4, contact East Ground Duff 12535, okay?
Okay, left Delta 4, 2535, Air Canada 145.
Envoy 4133, the wind's 350, 12 knots, clear to land, runway 35 right.
Little land 35 right, Envoy 4133.
Tower course 310 with you, cleared approach 35 left, speed 160 to the south. Encore 3180, Calgary, good evening, winds 350, 12 knots, altimeter 2981, number turn approach, 6 miles behind company 37, Charlie 4 exit, clear to land, runway 35 left. Charlie 4, clear to land 35 left, Encore 3180. Vision 903, Tower, good evening. It was 3408 knots. Contact departure airborne 12452 threshold. Nerve takeoff only 35 left with you.
Departure, we'll take us to 35 left threshold, shit, 903, you'll see.
Runway 590, exit left Delta 4. You can do the reverse Delta 3 if you prefer. Contact East Ground off either way. 1219 today. Sorry, 12535.
Okay, we're going to take Delta 4, 2535, East Grand National, American Aviation. 5